Hi everyone, I'm Connor John, and today I'm excited to introduce Hollyland's new LARK A1 wireless microphone. The LARK A1 is a wireless microphone specially designed for smartphones, offering plug-and-play functionality and clear sound quality at 48 kilohertz and 24-bit. It is a powerful yet highly cost-effective, portable, mini microphone. And in this video, I'll guide you through the unboxing, setup, and advanced features of the LARK A1. Today, we demonstrate the LARK A1 combo set. Opening the box, you will find charging case, lightning receiver, USB-C receiver, transmitter, magnet, carrying bag, furry windshield, USB-A to USB-C cable, packing list card, quick guide, warranty card, and the compliance information card. Charging case introduction. This is the LARK A1 charging case. It combines storage and charging functions. It holds all the receivers and transmitters and provides up to a 2 times full charge. The front LED indicates battery status, and the USB-C port on the back supports charging directly to the case. RX receiver introduction. Now this piece that plugs into your phone is called the receiver, or RX for short. It comes in 2 versions, Lightning and USB-C to fit all smartphones. You'll notice there's a USB-C port on the side, and this lets you charge your phone while you're recording. Now, let me explain the button functions. Press and hold for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Single click to turn noise cancellation on or off. Double click to mute or unmute TX1, or triple click to control mute for TX2. TX, transmitter introduction. This is the transmitter. We call it TX for short. It's the actual microphone that captures your audio. Now, let's go through the controls. Press and hold for 3 seconds to turn the TX on or off. And a handy feature, if you put it in the charging case while it's powered off, it will automatically turn on and start charging. Hold for 6 seconds while powered off to enter pairing mode. Single click to toggle noise cancellation. Double click to mute or unmute this transmitter, and triple click does something really cool. When you're connected to your phone's receiver, it can start or stop recording, or even take photos in your native camera app. Oh, and see these magnetic contacts on the bottom? That's how it snaps into the charging case or the dock for charging. How to connect. Let me show you how to set this up. First, just open the charging case and take out both the receiver and the microphone. Then, plug the receiver directly into your phone's charging port. When you see the solid blue light on both devices, you're ready to record. That's because they come pre-paired right out of the box. If your phone's battery runs low during recording, simply plug a charger into the RX's, or receiver's, side USB-C port to keep recording while charging. How to wear the microphone. Now let's get your microphone set up. The LARK A1 features a magnetic clip for easy wearing. The best spot is right by your collar. That's the sweet spot for most voices. But if you're projecting loudly, like for public speaking, move it slightly lower to your upper chest. Important, always keep the microphone pickup hole facing upward. This gives you that studio quality sound. How to manually repair. If your transmitter or TX and receiver or RX happens to disconnect, no worries. Here's how to pair them manually. For the RX, press and hold the pairing button for 3 seconds. The blue light will start flashing rapidly, which means it's ready to pair. For the TX or transmitter, make sure it's powered off first. Then press and hold the power button for 6 seconds until the blue light starts flashing quickly. When successfully connected, both devices will show you a steady blue light. That's how you know they're paired and ready to go. 3-level intelligent noise cancellation. The LARK A1's intelligent noise cancellation is built for tough environments like outdoor filming, short videos, and live streaming. It blocks out that background noise with less than 1% distortion, keeping vocals crystal clear. It has 3 adjustable levels: weak, medium, and strong. It starts in strong mode, letting you adjust for any recording situation. EQ and reverb adjustment. The EQ feature helps you get clearer, more natural vocals with preset filters. Reverb effects add depth, making your audio more vibrant and immersive for videos and live singing. 3 reverb levels adjust both reverb intensity and duration. Small is great for voice chats and basic recordings and short videos. Medium is perfect for, say, audiobooks or podcasts and video production. And large is best for live singing streams. You can easily choose the right audio effect based on your needs. Auto limit clip protection. The Lark A1 features auto limit clip protection that continuously monitors and adjusts the input levels in real time to effectively suppress sudden audio clipping. This intelligent system balances excessive volume levels while maintaining audio stability and clarity across dynamic ranges, preventing distortion caused by abrupt volume changes during recording. 6-level gain adjustment. The Lark Sound app enables precise 6-level gain adjustment for your microphone. This feature allows flexible sensitivity tuning based on different recording scenarios and vocal intensities. App introduction. Let me walk you through the key features of the Lark Sound app. 1. Device management and updates. Tap the settings icon to check your firmware version or update it. The user manual is also available digitally right here. 2. TX1 and TX2 battery levels. It shows real-time battery status for connected microphones. If it's unpaired, the TX units will display 0%. 3 to 4. Live mic UV meter. The color-changing waveform helps monitor input levels. The yellow zone is normal volume, and red zone is a potential clipping risk. Note, only 1 meter will appear in mono mode. 5. Noise cancellation. 3 adjustable levels. Weak, best for low-frequency hums, medium for a balance reduction, and strong, ideal for outdoor use. 6. Receiver or RX output volume. 6 adjustable levels. Default level is 5, and the higher the numbers, the louder the recordings. 7. Channel mode. Switch between mono, which is the default, or stereo output. 8. EQ adjustment. Enhance your voice with balanced, which is default balanced sound, low for richer lows, and bright for crisper highs. 9. Reverb adjustment. Add space to your voice. Small, medium, or large room simulations. It's disabled by default, but you can enable it manually. 10. Mic identification. When this is enabled, TX1 or transmitter 1 glows purple, and TX2 or transmitter 2 will glow yellow. And keep in mind, noise reduction mode will override that setting and place a green light on it. But noise reduction mode will override that with a green light. 11. Auto off timer. This sets sleep timers for unpaired TX or RX units. This means it will automatically shut off when it's not in use, so it doesn't just drain the battery life. 12. LED controls. This will toggle all indicator lights on or off. And that's if you don't want the light showing up in your video. SKU introduction. The Lark A1 is available in 5 different SKUs to suit different needs. The Lark A1 combo in space gray includes USB-C RX plus Lightning RX plus a charging case. The Lark A1 combo in white includes a USB-C RX, a Lightning RX, and a charging case. The Lark A1 Duo in space gray includes the USB-C receiver or RX and the charging case. The Lark A1 Mini Duo in space gray includes the USB-C RX or receiver and a charging dock. And the Lark A1 Mini Duo in space gray includes the Lightning RX or receiver and a charging dock. So that's all for the Lark A1. Visit Hollyland's website for more details and let us know in the comments what else you would like to know.